we're going to be reviewing the Fisher-Price standing toy. This is it right here, you guys. This is the box that I received from Amazon. Nothing too special about the box. This is me opening up the box. It did have all the toys that we needed inside, so let's go ahead and take everything out. This is everything out of the box right here. You guys could see that this is the actual base right here. This is gonna be the seat, so we're gonna assemble all that good stuff. Here are a couple of the toys that we have here. And then this goes on the base, and then we have a couple of the poles. So we're gonna be putting this together right now. And as you guys could see, it does have also 3 poles, 1, 2, and here's the third one that's already attached to here. So let's go ahead and put this together. It does come with the user manual / instructions. They are pretty easy to follow. So this is what's included. Now let's take a look at what we actually got here. So this is the part that came unattached. The other 2 parts were actually already attached to it. Let me show you guys what the bottom looks like. So it does need 3 AAA batteries, which are not included, unfortunately. Right, so let me turn it on and see what we got. We do have like a medium setting to high setting, and then we can go ahead and push on these buttons. And that's the sound it has going on here. We can switch it up a little bit. We do have like this hanging monkey going on over here. We do have birdies. We got butterflies. What do we got over here? It looks like a giraffe. All these move. We have a lion over here. We have a mirror. Okay, we got an alligator on this side. This thing spins around. We do have like a monkey. Oh no, it's a frog. I was gonna say monkey. I did say monkey. So this is you could actually, the baby could bite on here. It's kind of soft. Let me see. We got this going on. Let me turn that off for a second. Okay, we do have the toucan over here. I did want to point out that there's 3 different levels, you guys. So level 3 is going to be the highest over here. As you guys can see, it's kind of up. Over there is level 1. So I did want to point out that when the baby is older, you want to put this higher. So if the baby's around that year old and they still don't walk, you could put it in level 3. It's a little bit higher, and that way their weight is going to balance out. And all you have to do is push this down. And then if we want to change it to level 2, you guys could see, let me pull this back a little bit, okay? We got level 2 right there, and then we have level 1, okay? So level 1, that's how level 1 looks like. It sits a lot lower. I have a 6-month-old, so level 1's gonna be perfect for him. He's gonna be lower to the ground, and then this is gonna have more jump to it. So he's gonna be able to jump and play around. The main reason I got this was because this actually spins 360 degrees. It doesn't stop. It could just keep going and going. That way, if the baby gets bored with one side, they could actually go to they just swing around to the other side and start playing with the other toys. So that's why I got this one. Not all of them do the 360 spin, but that's the main reason that we got this one. And we just put my little boy in there, and he loves this thing so far. So, you know, he's 6 months old. Hopefully, you know, he's going to be using this for around 6 months or so, maybe even a little bit longer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.